Missions updated. Review them when you can.
Need support at my location.
Roger that. Here it comes. Check your missions. Check your missions. All right, your mission is up. It's marked on your map. Heat is coming in fast. Watch your sector. You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Hostile machine gun in sight.
Check your missions. by and be ready.
Bam bam ba bam ba bam ba bam.
Enemy UAV at these coordinates.
You were right here.
Got a bad feeling about that.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Request immediate attack.
Fast mover.
Let's see how many's gonna die. DMR. I think I saw someone using this weapon yesterday.
Kick
It was
up the notch.
good.
You've got a lot of targets out there. You've got a new mission ready.
Oh, it's closer. Oh. I don't know which way is better. This one is better, right?
I'm seeing a custom weapon crate here.
But this is closer. Oh, it disappeared.
Check your missions.
Don't see me. Where did he go?
Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
What's going on?
You're out of second chances. Light them up and stay in the fight.
I don't see him.
Got eyes on a sniper. Hey, I found a ride. Make your way to that point.
Where did you go, man? I wanna get the age drop.
Check
It's
your
too
missions.
late. Can we make it or no? Can we make it somebody? I don't think we can make it now.
Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the Inferno.
There's someone on the right side. But we need to focus on this guy. He has a sniper. We can also go for this care package.
Contact sniper.
Oh! That was so scary. Run! Oh my goodness. How do you see me? Do you have a thermal scope?
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Move, move, move, move. What are you doing, man? Are you serious? Are you serious?
That's it for missions. Keep your head up until Exfil.
Custom weapon case sighted.
If we don't die, of course. Oh my god, grenade? I saw someone. I heard someone here. Yeah. Was this guy the sniper guy? No, I think he wasn't.
Bound over to that location.
What is that?
Can anyone use this?
Oh my god. No, no, no, no, no, no.
Half the
Oh,
behind you. Time to step it up.
man, there are so many snakes. What is that?
You're out.
Snakes, snakes.
Better luck
There are
next
so many
time.
snakes, man. So many snakes in everywhere. There are so many snakes, snakes, snakes. I forgot to speak English. No para de darme free premium YouTube. Es maravilloso, ¿eh? YouTube me da premium gratis. El otro día me dio 3 meses. Ahora me da 2 meses. ¿Eh? Pero por 0 euros. 2 meses. Pero como tú tienes que dar tarjeta, doy una fake para que no renueven. Why the match doesn't start? What's going on? This game is full of bugs, man. Full of bugs. Full of bugs, full of bugs. I really get confused when it's about to um be the last ring. It's really confusing. Like you don't see anyone, everybody is hiding. That's annoying, man. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Hello, hello. What up, guys? What up, gamer? How's it going, buddy?
Drop zone coming up. On the ground, take out everyone in the target area. I'll monitor as needed, so be ready for updates.
Since I'm going to play LMG, I wanted to play with sport character.
All right, good to go for deployment. Post up.
Johnny, goodbye. Goodbye, Johnny. That wasn't a good jump, right?
Request Overwatch. Grid as indicated.
All right, missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can. Roger, on the way.
Where are they? Come on. What's going on? They broke it. Here.
I don't like the look of this. Need eyes on my lock stack.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
Get over to that waypoint. Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Poor guy was trying to upgrade his weapons.
Got a dangerous spot here.
Check your missions. You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Contact. Enemy infantry.
He may go to his old position. Man, you were so aggressive. Oh, my weapon. My weapon. I really love this weapon.
Current position's going to be overrun by NXC. Don't linger.
Someone asked before.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Game's so weird, man. I'm sure there are multiple players, but nobody's trying to show themselves.
Check your missions.
Buddy, welcome and goodbye. Bye. What is that?
Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
Gone. But the other guy is still there. It's time
Got
to
a new
go.
mission for you. Details on your map.
Over here.
Spot a custom weapon crate!
Oh, there's someone here.
Got a bad feeling about that.
Got a target-rich environment. Stay alert. Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
Bound over to that location. Reference waypoint. Move there now. Sniper!
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Hostile machine gun in sight.
This guy wasn't the guy who shoot me, right? I think this guy wasn't the guy who was lying on the ground.
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
Where did you go?
Check your missions.
Round, round, round, round, round.
Got a new mission ready.
I see nobody, but I'm sure there's someone here. Whenever I say there is no one,
Custom weapon box marked!
always someone.
Got a bad feeling about that.
Hello, thank you for the like. Welcome.
Be ready. No second chances after this.
RV on that position.
Oh.
Check your mission.
Oh my goodness. There is nothing we can do. Could have ignored that guy, maybe. Maybe not to chase. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba.
going right here.
Go with your discretion. Hostile dropping near your location.
Ooh, nice shot, buddy. Was an SMG.
All right, you're good to go. Sending you back in.
We can do that. Have my favorite weapon, but not the favorite optic.
I need eyes on my position.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
Feels dangerous here.
ISR
Use
rolling
caution.
in.
Find the shotgun. Same guy. Only one guy there.
New mission available.
I don't wanna go to the building, man. Like building fights. Campers. I don't know if I placed them correctly. Why we have a scope, man? I don't want a scope. Something better.
Check your mission.
Make your way to that point.
I think I heard someone.
That's some good work. Keep digging out there and secure everything you can find.
I heard someone. MG.
Third zone is closing in.
MG.
You'll be compromised if you don't move it.
Ult. I don't want to go to this building.
Bound over to that location. Marking location for support.
Copy. Stand by.
I'm gonna kill this guy. We have to jump down. This is what I was looking for.
Check your missions.
There goes. Possible to see them.
Got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
Other poker. I suck. I shouldn't have used my shotgun. No. Bad decision. I just didn't know if he was under me or
Just how it goes.
above me. I didn't know. I swear this game is so addictive, man. It has so many things to improve, but still, I like it. Very addictive. This game is very addictive. Love it. Well, this game was bad. Go back to check the weapon. I'm trying to change the attachments for this weapon. Nothing new here. This hides my position in the map. You can select this one. I think it's good. First win. Better mode, right? How about now? Yes. Laser doesn't matter. Hack. I think I need this one. Vision. Maybe we can change. I don't know which one is better. This optic has better visibility. One gives more control. I need this one. This one is good. Ah. Ay, ay, ay. I swear these characters or screens or whatever, it feels like it's paper, man. It's really so bad. Like, feels like Delta Force from 2000. Yeah, it's really so boring.
Jump windows coming up. You've got unknown shooters inbound. Consider everyone
Oh,
down
yeah,
as
yeah.
a threat. Stay alert for updates.
Let me do something. This game looks so bright. I'm going to increase
Greenlit to jump.
some
Time
colors.
to get dirty.
One moment. Color, color, color. Custom color. Yeah, now it looks better. How are you guys? How's it going? Do you play Battlefield? This is so ugly, sniper. Assault rifle.
Missions just got posted. Have a look and
Contact.
knock out what you
Enemy
can.
infantry engaging.
I love this sniper. It's really good. Oh, he was AFK.
Hostile
right?
shooter jumping into your area.
Enemy contact in my AO. Doesn't look good.
Arayayım. Ya yarısı.
Check your missions.
Check. Where is he? game? Nice try, buddy. Nice try. Was so sneaky, dude. When did he go there? I didn't see him going from that side.
Reposition. Move now.
See him crossing.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Got no armor. Find the armor.
That zone's heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long. Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the Inferno.
Got enemy in sight.
Oh my god. There is zero sound. Zero.
Square yourself away. You're headed back in. You've got a new mission ready.
Rally on that location.
You piece of battlefield.
It's over. Regroup for the next stop.
Yeah, this is not battlefield. This is camper field. God damn. And match doesn't start first. So we're gonna be playing what, okay? There's no many players in the solo game mode. Let's try ranked. Wait, can I play solo squad? Here we are, face to face.
We're closing in on the drop zone. Now we need to find out what's going on, so keep comms open. You're cleared hot, so engage anything that moves. Go for deployment. Give him hell.
Hello, hello.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in. Get over to the waypoint.
Man, how do they know I'm here? How do they know I'm here? That's so weird. A different team. Full team.
Knock and lock.
I'm coming for you.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Yeah, boys. Good job. They may come back. Everything's. There is nothing here.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Got sight on objective.
Hostiles have a teammate dialed in. Do something about it. One down. Zero in on the next one and move fast.
Got sight on objective.
Objective cleared. They can't target in on you now.
Which mission was this? Brings your loadout.
Alright, I need all the intel you can get on the hostiles. Secure as many beacons as you can. The more your team has, the faster they'll calibrate.
Got sight on objective.
Custom weapon crate marked.
hit enemy Vic.
Man, what are we doing? What is this game? What the fuck? I'm very confused, man.
Get over to that waypoint.
Leave. These kids have no idea how to play this game, dude. It's just so stupid, man. They have zero awareness. Like I'm playing with bots. No one speaks. I just die because I'm fighting with one team. I don't know if I'm fighting with the same team. I'm suddenly getting shot by 3 or 4 guys from left side. But there is a car on my teammates. I don't know what to do in that moment. So annoying. Level 70. Fires. Level 4. Get there. Yeah, Solo is the best, man. Let go.
It's go time. Gather intel and stay alert as new missions come in. I'm counting on you.
Nice. No teammates, the best. Let's go.
All right, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Where's this guy going? Bridge?
Hostile dropping near your location.
Oh my god! That was so bad. Oh my god. Was embarrassing.
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in. Missions updated. Review them when you can.
That was embarrassing.
Request FMV over my position.
Roger that. Stand by.
Where?
Heads up, we got a danger zone.
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
Templar, right? Right here.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Is he alive?
Request overwatch. Grid as indicated.
ISR rolling in.
Where did he go? Why I cannot see them?
Check your missions.
When you lie down, you don't see them?
RV on that position.
I think he's hiding somewhere here. He's here all the time. When you lie down, you don't get scanned.
Check your missions.
I didn't know. Oh, my weapon. My weapon.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Assault rifle. Rifle.
Burn zone is closing in. You'll be compromised if you don't move it.
ADS.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear. Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
There was someone here.
Marking location for support drop.
Supply drop is on the way.
Because where did this guy go? Man, this guy has great aim.
Mark on your map.
Heck is that? He just came from this side and he knew where I was. Crazy. Almost killed me. It doesn't work.
You got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
Where is he going?
Request overwatch. Grid as indicated.
Copy. Stand by. Check your missions.
How did he know I was here, man? Why he suddenly stopped?
Your site's been wiped out, but don't get hung up on it.
Ay, ay, ay.
Approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good hunting.
Hello, Jetly. Hello, Fuse.
All
Been
right,
any
you're
solo
good to
matches
go
yet?
for
Yes.
deployment. Post up.
Won some of them. Yesterday I won 2. Today I haven't won anyone. But we are trying. There are so many campers, man. There are so many gambers. There are so many campers.
Dropping into your area. updates. Review them when you can.
There are people here. Better be careful. Give it to me. At the
Nice
moment,
work.
play this game.
They made your score. Way to go.
Wait, this weapon has 54. One has 34, 31 bullets. Mine is better. Why it is? Coming from a box like it's too good. This one is MG.
Request FMV
And-
over my position.
Copy. Stand by.
What is this?
Check your missions.
Heck? We're lost. The shotgun.
That is a good find on those classified materials. Way to step it up.
What is this house? So big. Oh, my weapon, dude. This is my weapon. I saw someone landing. Camping? Probably waiting to get all the stuff and upgrade. To kill me and get my stuff.
Heads up. Check your map for new missions.
I knew it, man. I swear I knew it. The fucker. Not this time, buddy.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Someone else here. Didn't I tell Jet Li?
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Please don't come anymore. Let me breathe.
Your current position is going to be overrun by NXC. Don't linger. Heads up. You got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
What is the shotgun, man? What is the shotgun? Burst. Oh, you died. Nice.
Square yourself away. You're headed back in.
You have any gold age drops? Like if you go here, we'll
You got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
lose.
New mission available.
For armor.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Oh, Misty. busy, man. Don't come.
Alright, new mission is up. It's marked on your map. Nice work. Looks like you found some solid intel.
Motherfucker. I mean, so tired.
You're out. Better luck
They will
next
just
time.
stay all the time on on the roof, and they won't even go one step away. They won't, and you can stay under them, wait them to come down. Nobody's going to move. If you do, you die.
You have unknown shooters moving on the target area. Make sure you drop them all. Get ready to jump. Greenlit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Time to get 30. Time to get 30 years old.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
Request FMV over my position.
Roger, on the way. New missions just... Excellent. Way to hit pay dirt. Intel like this can make all the difference.
That area doesn't look good.
This guy doing there? AFK? What are you doing, buddy?
You've got a new mission ready. Heads up, you got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
What I don't understand is shotgun. Single shot, no? I have to. Yes, I didn't know.
Check your missions.
Request FMV over my position.
Roger that. Here it comes.
That area looks bad to me.
Good for him. Go on.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Stay put if you don't mind toxic fallout. Otherwise, get a move on. Check your mission.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get you, buddy. I'm gonna kill you.
Looks suspicious. Watch yourself. Make your way to that point.
That's so annoying, man. I swear I'm gonna lose my mind.
Mission is up. Marked on your map. Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
There's no armor. Need to go for this mission. Have to kill the other guys. What the heck was that?
Alright, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
I want my loadout.
Reposition. Move now.
What time?
This battlefield's still crawling with hostiles. Stay alert.
Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
Make it. 100 meters away.
Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the Inferno. Check your mission.
All right.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Stupid people, man. And they both died. Sino mío. ¿Con quién juega? Jugar Colombia. I'll be después.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
The vehicle. Gonna die.
Check your mission. Check your missions.
Bye. Lone camper.
Hey, burn line incoming. Clear out while you can. You've got new mission details incoming.
Contact.
Stand by
Hostile
and
crew
be ready.
sighted.
Ah, you gotta die. Damn.
Amor, ya tengo tu camisa.
¿Te acordaste de que
Ver. İşte baş. Sen no sabes obedecer. Venga, mamá te está diciendo algo.
Overrun by NXC. Don't linger.
Didn't I tell Jet? I saw someone landing. Oh, my weapon. This is my weapon. Oh, my weapon. This is my weapon. I saw someone landing. Camping? Probably waits me to get all the stuff and upgrade to kill me and get my stuff. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. Camping? I saw someone landing. Camping? Probably waits me to get all the stuff and upgrade to kill me and get my stuff.
Heads up. Check your map for new missions.
I knew it, man. I swear I knew it. The fucker. Not this time, buddy.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Someone else here. Didn't I tell Jet Li?
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Please don't come anymore. Let me breathe.
Your current position is going to be overrun by NXC. Don't linger. Heads up. You got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
What is the shotgun, man? What is the shotgun? Burst. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Where the heck I am?
You've got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
Someone has been here.
Solid find on that intel. Keep digging for more. Solid find on that intel. Keep digging for more.
Contact. Enemy infantry engaging.
We've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Go,
Heads up.
go, go,
Check your
go,
map for
go.
new mission details.
Goodbye, buddy.
Check your mission.
Poor guy, he died.
Your current position's going to be overrun by NXC. Don't linger.
What's going on here?
That's some good work. Keep digging out there and secure everything you can find. All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
There's a camper, right? I'm sure there's a camper.
Request immediate support here.
Supply drop on the way. You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Someone else here. Goodbye, Andy. Nice try, buddy.
You've got a new mission ready.
There was someone else here, right? Marksman. Assault rifle. Let's go. Hello guys, what up? Are you better people players or hablas español? Do you speak English? Let me know what you think about this game. Is it good or bad? Oh my god, no. I lost my car.
You're out of second chances. Light them up and stay in the fight.
What the heck?
Check your mission.
He's not here. Oh my goodness. Fucking campers, man, in everywhere. I swear.
It's over. Regroup for the next stop.
In everywhere, man. Every corner, every roof, every hole, every bush, in everywhere. All right. Oh, we have new attachments. Should we try them? Let's go. How did he climb there? There's no stairs, I guess. All right, let's see. We have a new mag, but we need this one. or this one. This one would be the best. Yeah, I think this one is the ideal one. Ideal. We have no money. No money, no money. No new optics. I don't know why I didn't select this weapon before. I selected the SMG. I think this weapon is better. I forgot to switch this one. I forgot to select this one. One second, guys. I wish I could change my server. People are sleeping and there's no players at the moment. We can try something else. Maybe try this one. Let's try this one. This is not the one I selected. It's here.
You have to be in this for the long haul. Gear up and stand by for next steps.
Hello, hello.
Grab any data drives you can find and get them to the extract points. Watch your backs. You're not the only ones looking for them. That area does look good. The drives are coming out. Head back in and track down more.
Get him, get him.
Ah, need a medic.
Rest.
I'm hit. Medic.
Kirill.
Need a medic. I'm hit.
What are you doing, buddy?
Hang in there. That's it. Stay with me.
Oh my god, this game.
Let's move.
What the heck?
Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
Good work on that delivery. Keep the drives coming and stay on mission.
Explosive set.
Your squad never lets up. That's what I like to see.
Coming for you. Come here.
Another good extract. You still have a ways to go, so stay on task. Stay focused and don't let up. You're almost mission complete.
I think I don't like this optic. Let's change this to the previous one. Man, this guy is crazy. What is this weapon? Carbine.
Good work on that delivery. Keep the drives coming and stay on mission.
Does it look good?
Want to win? You'll have to step it up. Data drives are coming out. Get back to digging up whatever you can find.
Did you someone?
Good work. Now keep it up. You're not done yet.
I play so bad, but I'm still number one. Nice.
Round that out. Impressive. This intel is going to go a long way.
I think this game mode is crazy good.
There's a lot riding on this. Get in there and connect the terminals to hack in. Gather gather as much data as
Dun,
possible.
dun. Come on, soldiers.
Marking mission objective.
One of your team set up a new connection. Don't let it drop.
Frag out!
Heads up, we got a base point!
Where?
Someone knocked one of our terminals out of commission.
Nice shot, man. He was low. He was low. Looter, res buddy. Looter, loot. Loot. Loot.
Look at me!
Merci, merci.
I'll be in that position.
Ping, ping, ping. Gotcha.
Terminal offline. Hostiles tampered with our connection.
Who's got ammo? Who's got spare rounds?
Find ammo.
Connection dropped. Get on it.
My god. He died. I died so fast.
Hostiles took over one of the terminals.
Oh my goodness. Come on, come on, come on, guys.
Your teammate secured a terminal. Keep it up.
No way.
Someone knocked one of our terminals out of commission. Terminal offline. Hostiles tampered with our connection.
Got your bacon. He was sleeping, man.
Square yourself away. I'm pairing you with another squad.
This squad is doing very good. Look, 30 kills. 20 kills, 18 kills, and we got barely 10 kills.
Way to deliver. We're one step closer to narrowing down who these PMCs are. Okay, don't overcomplicate it. Your job is to take out enemy supplies. You fail,
Man,
and
I
you're
need
out.
to mute this guy. Holy shit. Buddy, your microphone. Microphone, please. Amigo. Finally. What is happening, man?
Enemy contact on my AO!
Solid work. That's one less enemy team on the battlefield.
Gotcha. Well, I didn't do anything here.
You've shown you've got what it takes to stay in this. Now prep for the next mission. All right, that'll do it. Solid work.
Wreckage. Tank game, right? Badum, badum, badum, bam.
Okay. The mission is to defuse hostile.
I don't like this game mode.
Go after their milcoms. Now fuses are live.
very
and
hard.
Timers are running. So get on it ASAP.
Got sight on objective. Come on! Come on!
Live. Hustle up and play that charge.
No fucking way.
Aha! Medic!
No, we better give up. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Nice work.
What up, boys?
Time to get out of there.
Good job.
Take an exfil.
Good job, good job. They were the best squad.
Squad proved themselves today. I know it wasn't easy. Well done.
This guy came to my squad later on and they got really good kills. Amazing. Ba-da-ba-bum-bum. All right. Hello guys, good night. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum. Abu Aham. They are all controllers, man. 774 level? Holy shit. And the other guys are just beginners. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum. Ba-dum-bum.
Listen, get in there and grind it out. We won't have
The
time for
Christian.
detailed briefs. Orders will come in hot.
What is that?
There's locator
Okay.
keys out there. Grab as many as you can. Watch
This is
your
gonna be
safety,
hard.
Chris.
Take cover, take cover.
Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
They won't see me here.
I got you!
Get up, man.
Let's go!
Salam alaikum.
That's it. I got a clean upload. Need hands on the next one.
Get a rocket on it.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, buddy. He's camping somewhere here. They are low. One is flash.
Your teammate has a beacon. Watch their back while it sinks on my side. We'll advise.
Got ammunition over here. Take it.
Your squad mate just calibrated another beacon.
Drago! I'm here!
Sorry.
Stay alert. Don't let that thing fall into enemy hands.
Come to me.
Your squad's got the advantage. Keep pushing.
Come on, come on, come on.
I'm over here. Take what you can.
Nobody comes. They are scared.
That area looks bad to me.
That's good work. Now stay on mission and track down the next one.
Tired.
Objective mark.
Nobody cares about objectives. He's one shot. Oh man.
Let's rally on our RV point. Move.
Frag out!
Keep your unit safe until I get a signal on this side. Time is running out. Let's get this mission done.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I got shot by the guy as well. Mission failed. Oh my god.
Wasn't in the cards this time.
It was hard.
Let's go again.
I thought it was starting automatically. Doesn't start? Alright. Hello guys. Welcome. Please let me know if you're playing this game. Do you play Battlefield? Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. What's your favorite weapon? Should we change this one? I select this. Do we have a thermal scope like this? I haven't tried this weapon now. I haven't tried this weapon with big scopes. Now we go with the same weapon. Hello guys. Rattlesnake. Secret, huh? I don't know if this weapon is gonna be good, but we'll try.
Secure those terminals and keep them out of enemy hands. You'll need access to them to full intel.
Let's try.
Mission objective locked. Drago!
Work your team set up a new connection. Don't let it drop.
No man, I killed one. Kinda safe.
Hostiles took over one of the terminals.
Let's go for beacons. Oh my god.
Hostiles took over one of the terminals. Captured a terminal.
I had no armor, man.
Hostiles took over one of the terminals.
Nice shot, buddy. Your beacon.
Not tracking to be mission complete, but you can still turn this around. Connection dropped. Get on it. Hostiles took over one of the terminals.
Got a dangerous boat here.
Oh my goodness. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Medic. No, no, no.
If you want to win, you'll have to step it up. Terminal offline. Hostiles tampered with our connection.
We got this. We got this. We got this.
Someone knocked one of our terminals out of commission.
How many do you have? Man, come on.
Wasn't in the cards this time. Gear up to go again.
Well, one guy did nothing. This was not good for us. Which is I mean, we tried Vikings, but the enemy team also did good. Jetty, are you here? If you are here, come join me. Do you guys want to play? Da-da-dun. Hello, hello. Fat and curious.
Fat. You're so fat. You're so fat.
Hello. Hello.
Buddy.
Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Testing microphone. Testing. Test.
Test. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Okay, this is my mouse. This is my microphone. This Abirsin guy has good aim, huh? Let's try this one for this game mode. Dun dun dun dun dun dun. Later I will try again Battle Royale. Hopefully the matches, there are players so we can find the match. People are sleeping, dude. Da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-dun. People are sleeping. Nobody plays it at the moment. Maybe we can go medic, so we will always have bullets. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Hello, gaming. How are you, buddy? Come on, dude. Okay, 29. Soon 30 and 32. Come on. And 6 left. Nine players only? Okay. Some teams are not gonna be complete.
Listen up. Act fast, act smart. Mission briefs incoming. Your job here is to intercept and decrypt as many beacons as you can. Any intel you pull.
I think everybody knows how to play this game. They have to stop this. Kinda boring, so repetitive.
Marking mission objective.
Teammate has a beacon. Watch their back while it sinks on my side. We'll advise.
We need to stop them, man.
Your squad mate just calibrated another beacon. Team has the beacon. Good contact, signal is clear. We'll advise once it's clear.
Oh shit.
Got sight of the objective.
We got EAP!
Stay alert. Don't let that thing fall into enemy hands.
Come to me.
Get down!
Good work. Now stay on mission and track down the next one.
No, he's right here. I was healing, dude. Come here.
I got enemy in sight.
Teammate is seeking the beacon. Watch their six.
Oh my god. I'm trolling. I'm trolling.
Nice. A teammate just calibrated another beacon. Keep the unit safe until I get a signal on this side.
Who's got first aid?
Faster, faster, faster.
Grab what you can!
Time is running out. Get their mission done. That's it. I got a clean upload. Need hands on the next one.
No, no pistol, no pistol. Motherfucker.
Contact! Hostile troop sighted!
I'm with you.
Point.
No, man. GG's. We won. Classified.
Good work. Now keep it up. You're not done yet.
Not bad.
Good work. The intel gained from those beacons will come in handy. The mission is to defuse hostile explosives and go after their milcoms. Fuses are
Oh,
live
this is
and
tough.
timers are running. Get on it ASAP.
This is tough.
All right. Now get to work and deliver that charge.
Go, go, go, go. Didn't I get the bomb? What the fuck? This game is so buggy. I swear. I think I took the bomb.
Hey, I found a ride.
Follow the location!
Get the rocket on it! Who's got rocket? Reference waypoint. Move there now. Heads up. Hostile vehicle. Contact. Enemy vehicle located. Enemy tank. Enemy tank spotted.
We have bazooka. Kill this tank.
Got
It's
eyes
very
on
low.
enemy tank. Take them out.
One more enemy calm down. Keep at it.
Got a mission objective over there. Let's move.
Dangerous area spotted. Watch yourself. Danger area. Use caution. Got enemy objective. Let's ammo. We got a tank.
Fire. We're gonna need ID.
You've got tactical advantage. Not far to go now. Oh shit, look out!
Need to go to the other one.
One of their incoms is down. That's what I like to see.
We are doing the best. We are best.
Make a decision quick. That IED is about to blow.
Who killed me? What the fuck just happened?
Hey, you're
This
smart,
sucks.
combat effective. How long to go now? Close it out.
These my teammates are doing great.
Hostile Milcom down. The less they can communicate, the more effective we'll be.
Grab what you can. Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
These guys are cooking, man.
All right, that was a bang-up job. Get prepped for a new mission. Way to take the fight to him. But remember, you're not done yet.
The team deathmatch, no?
Intel says some hostiles are targeting your squad. Thing is, I need their top assets gone too. Take them out ASAP. You got another high-value target inbound.
I could res you.
Take what you can carry!
Reloading! Cover my six!
Heads up. Someone in your squad's got a target on their back.
Doesn't look good!
Goodness, man. We need to go fast weapons, man. SMG. Let's go with this one.
Key enemy shooter in your area. Drop him. You got another high-value target inbound. One down. Now don't push hard.
Fuck, man. I see nothing.
They're on one of your team. Shake them off. You got another high-value target inbound. Dump them.
RV on that position!
New target. Track him down.
Throwing frag! Hostile down!
Target dropped. Watch your back.
Grab what you can!
Another enemy in sight! Grab what you can!
They're onto one of your team. Shake them off.
Come on!
Got sandwich.
Target inbound. Keep kicking ass and taking names. You're almost there. Attack enemy infantry!
Holy shit. There are so many, man.
Solid execution. Now get ready to roll. No rest for the wicked. It wasn't easy, but you got it done.
Secret.
Nice job.
I like this one. Sounds cool.
Secure those terminals and keep them out of enemy hands. You'll need access to them to pull intel.
This one's good. But this one is smaller than the other one. Because there are two teams left. Could be. Oh yes.
Connections are stacking up for your squad.
Objective marked!
Contact! Hostile troops sighted!
He's camping, be careful. He's camping.
Someone knocked one of our terminals out of commission.
Oh my god, man, there are two. At least we are faster than them.
Hostiles took over one of the terminals. Contact! Hostile troop sighted! Move to that location.
Why I can't fire, man? I just cannot fire. Always, there's always two guys. Again, the same thing, man.
Terminal offline. Hostiles tampered with our connection. Not tracking to be mission complete, but you can still turn this around.
I swear. Ah. Man, whenever I'm going to shoot, there's always two guys. Always. Or
Connection
three
dropped.
guys.
Get on it. terminal.
Grab what you can!
We're winning. I could res you, but you gave up.
Someone knocked one of our terminals out of commission. Your squad's combat effective. How long to go now? Dig deep and close it out.
Close, huh? Good job.
Your squad proved themselves today. I know it wasn't easy. Well done.
It was tough. They had good positions all the time. Hopefully this time we're not gonna be waiting too much. And why there's no players in this game? Let's go some battle royale and see if there are real players. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. Let's try this way. Oh. Let me quit and come back. This game is very slow, dude. The matchmaking is slow. Game doesn't load fast. Everything of this game is slow. In like 2 minutes, the game is still loading. It says starting EA Javelin. Anti-cheat is very slow. Finally. We're back. This is faster at least. You guys, welcome. Bienvenidos. Very thin. Bam bam. Da-da. And yet this is also slow. But he plays this game, man. I think they all play Battle Royale. Passion, passion, passion. Mhm. Oh, this is new. Finally, it starts now.
You have to be in this for the long haul. Now gear up and stand by for next steps.
Love it.
Your job here is to intercept and decrypt as many beacons as you can. Any intel you pull will help us understand what we're dealing with. Protect that beacon until decrypt is done. That's it. I got a clean upload. Need hands on the next one.
Mission objective marked. Enemy contact in my AO.
Stay alert. Don't let that thing fall into enemy hands.
Motherfucker.
That area
You guys
doesn't
beacon.
look good.
Good contact. Signal is
In
clear.
position.
One
Move
advise once decrypted.
Oh, I hate this game, man.
Team has the beacon. Good contact, signal is clear. We'll advise once decrypted.
Get to that RV point. Move.
Teammate is seeking the beacon. Watch their six. Your squad's
This
got
is
the
a bad
advantage.
place.
Push it.
When you drive, it counts, right?
That's it. One of your teammates finished decryption. Good hustle.
Mother. How did you know I was there? How?
Your teammate has a beacon. Watch their back while it sinks on my side. We'll advise. Seal up. Gas is active.
I'm just so confused, dude. Really. I don't know who I'm fighting with.
Decryption. Good hustle.
Marking mission objective. Contact. Enemy infantry engaging.
You need to protect that beacon until decrypt is done.
Can I pick two?
Squad's combat effective. Not long to go now. Dig deep and close it out.
Mission objective marked.
Pick it, pick it, pick it.
Here's some spare ammo for you. Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
Good work. Stay on mission and track down the next one. Time to get that mask on. You've shown you've got what it takes to stay in this. Now prep for the next mission.
I play so bad. I don't know how I am
Good hustle.
on top. First,
Listen up. Do whatever it takes to retrieve data drives and get them to the exfil point. That intel is critical.
Who's got
I'm in
rockets?
first place.
Get a rocket on it.
Who can spare med supplies? Who's got first aid? Marking mission objective. Found an open Vic.
Your squad never lets up. That's what I like to see.
Mission objective over there. Move to that location. That area looks back to me.
Data drives are coming out. Get back to digging up whatever you
Rally
can
on
find.
that location.
Why there's no players, man? Oh, they have more beacons.
The drives are coming out. Head back in and track down more.
With more.
Your squad's got the advantage. Keep pushing.
Marking mission objective. That area looks back to me.
We got what we needed. Every bit of data
I'm
helps.
coming, don't die. Win more drives. We are losing. We are losing, man. I'm coming to you, don't die.
Looks suspicious. Watch it.
Time is running out of completing that mission. Let's go.
There are two guys on me, don't come.
contact. You still have a ways to go, so stay on task.
Got sight on objective.
So unlucky.
Your squad's out. Tough luck.
We were 3, 4. So they had the advantage. Let's see if we can play ranked. Maybe it's gonna be better. La da, la da, la da. GG's, GG's. Nah, it's bad time to play Battlefield. Ooh, this looks cool. Yeah, as usual. People are sleeping. People are sleeping and there's no players. Okay, let's play some normal games. Hello, hello. Oh, yeah.
Be advised, the enemy forces are advancing on our position. Defend the sector and deplete their
still so young.
Attack support on the marked objective. Objective Alpha is under enemy control.
Come on, dude. This guy has 32 kills. Why?
I got eyes on enemy vehicle. Take it out.
Fucking sniper, man.
Need a medic!
Fucking sniper, where's this guy?
Advise the sector is lost. Mobilize new lines of defense.
Target!
I checked that part. There was no one.
Enemy attack is confirmed. Defend the sector. Okay, we have captured Alpha.
Dang. Hola, copies.
We need defensive support on the marked objective.
All right.
Alpha has been captured by hostiles.
We have secured Bravo.
Mother Booker. Nobody tries to kill, man.
All units, cover the mission. Hostiles are close to victory.
Die, bitches, die, die, die. They were good. Nobody was trying to kill the tank, man. Nobody. Ay, ay. Enough, man. I'm going to sleep.